In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a session break indicator in TradingView. This is a great tool to visually separate different trading sessions on your chart, making it easier for you to analyze market trends across various time frames. Let's start by opening your TradingView platform and navigating to the chart you want to work with. If you're new to TradingView, simply log in and select any chart from your watch list, or create one if you haven't already. Once you have your chart open, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll see a variety of tabs. We're interested in the Indicators tab, which is typically located along the top toolbar of your chart interface. Go ahead and click on the Indicators tab. A search bar should appear. This is where you'll type Session Break. As you begin typing, TradingView will automatically populate a list of potential matches. Browse through these results and find an indicator that suits your specific needs. You might notice options like Session Breaks by Chris Waters or Session Break by Dosalgo. Each option may offer slightly different features or visual styles, so feel free to explore them if you're curious. For the purposes of this guide, select the one that you feel will work best for you, as the general steps will apply across different choices. Once you've identified your preferred session break indicator, click on it. Doing this will add the indicator to your chart, and you should immediately see session break lines appear. However, they might not perfectly suit your current visual or analytical preferences just yet. To adjust this, locate the Settings icon next to the name of the indicator on your chart. Clicking this will open a Settings window where you can tweak the indicator's appearance. Here you can customize various settings such as the resolution, which lets you define session types according to your needs. For instance, you can adjust it to highlight daily, weekly, or monthly sessions. Similarly, you can modify the line color and width to match your personal style or enhance visibility against your chart's backgrounds. After you've made all your preferred customizations, simply close the settings window. This will apply your changes and return you to the main chart view, where you'll now see your newly customized session break lines clearly delineating different trading sessions as you set them. And there you have it. Your TradingView chart is now equipped with session break indicators, offering you a clearer view of market segmentation. Remember, this tool is particularly helpful for traders monitoring markets across different time zones or those who want to keep an eye on session-specific trends. I hope this guide has been helpful, and feel free to explore further customizations to make your trading experience even more tailored to your needs.